Hi riders, it's Mano again from Motorcycle Tyre Warehouse, and today's topic on how to save you money on tyres is the valve. Yes, the valve. Now, apart from checking your pressures about once a week or once a fortnight, I want you to focus on inside here. We call that the Schrader valve. Now, the Schrader valve was invented by August Schrader in 1891, and it has, if I take one out, it looks a lot like this here. Okay, it's got a brand new format, which is the more modern one. Okay, that's one you'll see. That goes inside this fella here. So what I want you to do is check inside there, give that a twist clockwise till it's nice and tight. That's something that I've been noticing has been loose and been the culprit from a lot of flat tires or a lot of bad tire wear that we've got in the shop. You may also have one of these particular fellas here. It'll look like this. It's got a little rubber seal on the bottom with a nut. That's a very factory item. You'll find these a lot of Triumphs. I do find the rubber goes hard, okay, inside here. So I do suggest just check that to see if it's tight. If it is loose, go to a tire shop, get that checked, get that tightened from in behind. It is a little bit of a hassle, but it's a bigger hassle when you're stranded out the west because this is leaking and the nut's coming undone. So anyway, that's what I wanted to show you, the Schrader valve. Thank you very much for watching. Great.